everyone, it's Leslie at Discovery Specialty Fabrics with another quick tip on how to make a Christmas gift that's very inexpensive but very useful. I'm not going to tell you what it is until I'm done. What I've got here is a square of Quick Wick, which is our generic moisture wicking fabric. You can also use any scraps you have of any wicking Polartec Power Dry or Power Wool or any of the wicking performance fabrics. The trick is it has to have some stretch to it. You only need side to side stretch, lengthwise stretch doesn't matter. So I've cut a square here that is 8 inches across the stretch of the fabric and 9 inches long. It really doesn't have to be these exact dimensions, but this is what I find is a really good size for what I'm making. I'm going to grab the long edge and fold it right sides together over to the other long edge. So here is your 9-inch length, and now we have a 4-inch on a fold. And I'm going to serge this edge. If you don't have a serger, it doesn't matter. You can use a straight stitch machine. This just takes a minute. I know that there are other ways that you can do this, different ways to put it together. But if you want to make something super fast that's appreciated, now this is going to be for yourself whenever you're outside, or if you have any friends that are runners, they're going to really enjoy this. Now, I decided I was going to do a simpler version, so I don't need to go over there. I'm simply going to fold it wrong sides together, so bring it through the tube, fold it wrong sides together, and match your edges. And I'm going to serge it in a circle. So you're going to end up with a finished edge like that, and this is going to be basically a seam on the end, but that doesn't matter. You don't even have to take any great care with this, just kind of make your edges even. I'm going to clip it. Now what I'm going to do is roll it so that that raw end doesn't show. So I'm just going to grab it and make that raw edge go in the middle. And now it's finished. The raw edge is down inside. I'm going to put it on my wrist. And when you're running, you can wipe your nose with it because it's a wrist rag. Everybody that runs is always looking for something to wipe their nose. It's not a sexy item. But man, is this ever appreciated when you're out in the cold weather. So make yourself some wrist rags if you've got any scraps that are wicking. And that's it. I'll see you next time.